Hello friends, today we are discussing about the topic of 3D printing and design. Last day we are discussing the Vat Photopolymerization technique. Myself Dr. Deval Pramanik, Assistant Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Last day we are see the process mechanism of Vat Photopolymerization. Today, we are see the advantages of Vat photopolymerization technique. First advantage is simple and compact. That Vat photopolymerization is one of the most commonly used polymer additive manufacturing technologies. The system used for the process is compact without a large number of auxiliary arrangement, and this leads to the deployment of a variety of desktop systems. Quality and accuracy. The amount of possible detailing is governed by the laser beam size used by curing, permitting the building of parts with high resolution and improved surface finish, which is unstable by several other manufacturing processes. Then multi-material capability. The process was initially developed for single material only, and subsequently it is augmented by building multi-material parts. Next advantage is prototyping. By creating a low cost yet accurate model, the process helps to find potentially costly mistakes by detecting design flaws before manufacturing. It is a cost effective option for a low volume production of parts and provides shorter lead time. And last one is your micro manufacturing. In micro Vat photopolymerization process, UV laser beam is focused to 1 to 2 micron for solidifying a thin layer of 1 to 10 micron. So in micro manufacturing, the Vat photopolymerization may advantageous. Next is our limitations of Vat photopolymerization. This is your costly setup. Vat photopolymerization based additive manufacturing system are costlier than the material extrusion system. Requires post curing. The parts built are generally in the green state, and there may be some incomplete polymer connections. By post curing, the part is exposed to UV light and heated to strengthen the crosslinks in the polymer structure. Next one is your support structure. Support structure are generally essential to have a firm joint with the print bed to avoid wrapping. These supports are normally thin and weak and connected with the build part using a small connect area. And last one is your material limitations. It is mandatory that the raw material should be photosensitive, and thus the choice of material is limited. Only resin or epoxy may be used in Vat photopolymerization technique. Thank you.